to party. So Ray, I know I haven't seen your car for a while. It's for good reason, right?
Yeah.
You put a lot of money and mainly a lot of time into redoing this car, right?
Yeah, we tried to get some weight out of it. So went back to an aluminum block.
Oh.
We got held up on that.
They'll shave some weight. Oh, is that what took a while?
Yeah, weight on the actual block.
We haven't seen you most of the year.
Yeah.
So before I even knew or cared about GM stick shift records, we filmed you in Indy, and you ran, what was it, 830s?
Yeah, it went at 860 something there.
860 something, yeah. Back when, I mean, everyone's running 830s all day now. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Is that like 14?
It's come a long way. Yeah, it's been, it was probably 14 or something. Yeah.
So what's new in your setup? What all did you change? You got an aluminum block?
Aluminum block, we bumped the cubic inch up to 422. We were still on an 88, and we did put a 98 on the car for this.
A 98?
Yeah, for this event.
So what's your quickest pass on the car for this weekend?
806 before this weekend at 181.
So you run 806 in this, right on that edge.
Right.
Did you have a couple 80s, or was it?
We had some few, low 8 passes and stuff, but then I kind of put it on cruise control and focused on actually winning some races last year. And we did what we wanted to do, and I kind of waited too long to turn it up. That last year's combo was very capable of this 7, and then I ran into a couple issues and it didn't get there, and then we got held up waiting on parts this year.
So it's a 422 98mm turbo, and the important stuff is the clutch transmission. What do you got going on there?
RPM built, G-force gear set in it, T56, a Monster LT1 RR triple clutch in it.
Hopefully we'll see that magic number this weekend.
Yeah.
As always, it's fun to watch this car run, and I brought earplugs just for your exhaust.
Yeah.
Good luck, man.
Thank you. Broke that barrier.
Yeah.
Not enough.
I know you've been hungry for that number for years.
Oh yeah, they're scared. Dude. Hell yeah.
So now we got first car without body panels and first with body panels.
Yes.
Stick shift in the 7s.
Yes.
Yep.
Congratulations,
To the front.
man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, that's it.
It was a little better 60 than I thought,
Yeah.
but there's still room to grow.
It did not look like a 130. Holy sh! That's sick.
Cool.
Woo! Hell yeah, we got Cleetus, the quickest stick shift GM car in the world, and Ray running side by side. And Ray is second right now. Welcome to 7.